people are used to the encroachment they have done. If we have to be fair to everybody, the pavement is universal. It has to be universal to every pedestrian. That is our aim in this. It has to be universal pavement at the same level. Now we were bringing that pavement to a grade, one level. There it is, any objection will not be tolerated if you have anything. Now come, I will show you. Now you see this pavement, we have replaced and brought it at one grade. Right? Now we are struggling with encroachments here. You come and see. Now we are walking here. We want to continue the pavement here. Someone's gate has come. Then there is a piece of pavement here. Now come here. Now are people supposed to walk from here? This shop has come on the road, on the pavement. Pavements are for people to walk, not for shops, garages. Now you please carry your thing in there. There is a full-fledged biryani center working there. How are we supposed to work? This is what we are requesting, that these encroachments have to be removed. If we have some sense and support to our pedestrians. We are in the process of doing this. Work is slow because we have to remove all these encroachments and get our work going. But we will achieve. And universal pavements is one of the hallmarks of our project, and we will get it done.
Okay.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.